Guys, there's this new animal computer. It's really fun. Look, so we have cars here. It's on the moon. So we're Bradley Gaming, Adam, Beckett, and Monkey VR. So what do we say? Oh yeah, Sigma. Let's go, guys.
Get back here. Trevor, come on. I'm trying to.
Oh, what the?
No, I'm not.
Ew, 360 no scope. Guys, if we bring RPGs in here, if we bring RPGs in here, loop-de-loop, whoa, what the?
Trevor, where are you at? Oh, my car's coming.
Whoa, there's music. Let's go, there's music too. This is a really fun update. I think this is like a good, this is like a really
yeah, this
update.
is gotta be the best update.
This is like gotta be the best update. Yeah, that's like the best update. No, I don't want to go down the hole. Wait, what do the holes do?
Trevor, where are you?
God, did the holes do anything?
Grab one to me.
Let's go to the radio box thing. Oh, what the? Oh no. Yes. Guys, this is literally like.
I'm not recording.
How do you boost?
Oh my goodness, I'm not recording. Oh, bro doesn't feel like.
What the? Am I boosting? Like I'm boosting. What the? What the actual? No, let's go. Oh. Let's go. Let's go. Go down. Go down.
Beckett. Oh yeah.
Let's go. 360. Well, that's how you reverse.
Wow.
Wait, how do you boost?
We should all line up in a line and get ready. Not high enough. Use one of the big ramps on the wall.
That way. Oh. There we go. Whoa.
Guys.
Oh yeah, Beckett.
Go. Go.
Beckett.
It's 60.
Yo, Adam, stop your car. I'm gonna try to latch onto it.
What the? Oh my goodness.
Meet up at the rocket ship.
Oh no. 360. Space. Where's Bradley? Oh, what the? Hello. Guys, where's Bradley?
I don't know.
Is Trevor Adam? Let's go. Oh my gosh. What the? What the? They're at 360. Let's go. Let's go. What are they doing? Let's go. Boost this. Boost that. Oh my, what the? Let's go boost this. Go. Let's go boost this. Let's go boost this. Boost this thing. Right through it. Oh, let's go right through it. Let's freaking go. I I just did a horn flip. Let's go. Oh my goodness. I just did a... Guys,
wait, Adam.
guys,
What if
that
I get in the
try
car
to,
with
like
you?
tricks in the air. Ah. Oh no. Aww. That's shame.
This is fun.
Yeah, it is.
Oh, what the Sigma boy. Oh, I sneezed. Oh, why am I checking that? Oh, this is good. I'm sorry I'm not talking to you like this is a really fun update. I had so dream so big and then with the sky, with the color. 360 ooga booga booga booga. It's a booga. 360. Go. 360. Ooga booga and a booga. Right through it. Let's go.
Trevor, hook on.
What is happening? Beckett!
I'm the official driver.
Wait, what is happening, guys? What is happening?
Adam! Adam!
I gotta get out of this one. Look at this. What's up? What's up, guys?
I just wanna be part of you.
Where's the heck? Both of them? I was only doing one. That's why. 3, 2, 1. I had no dreams of big love. I touched this guy. I touched this. What the actual single 360? No, let's go. Let's go. Okay.
You like bring us together. Bradley, go to the
This world. Hey! What? What happened?
Adam, Beckett. Adam.
What happened? Hey, what did you do?
I blew up.
Why did you try to blow someone up?
I don't know how I blew
Blew up.
Here,
Wait, bro.
Trevor,
bro.
take my hook shot. Take my
Okay. Bro, go.
Brad, where are you? I'm gonna latch onto both of you.
What the?
Trevor. Yeah. Guys, you two line up next to each other. Trevor. Oh. Trevor. Trevor. Wait.
Bradley,
Trevor, you have to hook onto us. You have to put them both on your hips. Yeah. Okay.
Yeah,
okay.
put both of them on
You
your
have to-
hips,
You,
and
you
then
have to put both of them on your hips, and then you have to get an RPG, and then if people try to come to us, you have to blow them up, and then you.
Bro!
And I just died. Bro, what the heck?
Wait, you killed us all!
What the?
To put us all the way back here.
Who did that?
Anyway, don't worry. I can't. So Trevor. Trevor, we're not having a war, bro. Trevor, so what you?
Get up quick before he kills us!
So what you have to do, Trevor? Oh shoot, Trevor's not here. So what Trevor has
I
to do?
think Trevor already went up.
He has to put.
What is this? Guys, wait for me. Oh,